came here for my first lunch in Krakow, Poland. So obviously I'm going to try some authentic Polish food. So I have ordered like a few dumplings, which they call here pierogi, and a beetroot soup, which is also authentic to Polish food culture. So I have ordered one beetroot soup and two vegetarian pierogis, one with cabbage, onion and mushroom, and another one with mozzarella, onion and dried tomatoes. So when it will arrive here, so I will show you how it is, and I will taste and let you know. So just to show you some prices, so this is the name of the restaurant where I came now, and these are the prices for the dumplings, and this is the price of soup and some drinks. So the prices are very reasonable here. So here is my food arrived. So this is one is for mushroom and tomato pierogi, and this one is cabbage, and this one is the beetroot soup. So if I try this soup, yeah, and let me try the cabbage one, pierogi. It's very tasty. Let's try this one. These are dumplings, but in authentic Polish style, which is known as pierogi, and they are very yummy. So this is the restaurant where I ate dumplings. So if you want to know the name exactly, so this is the restaurant. So I am in the heart of Jewish quarter and in Krakow, and I am trying this thing, and it is very cheap also. It is if you translate it into English, it is like Polish pizza, and I have ordered one half, and I am going to try it. If you are here, you should try it too. And this much big pizza is only for 5 zlotys, and it is very tasty. It is yummy. Krakow has one of the highest pastry shops in the world, and this is one of the famous shops here for eating pastries. So if you are here, do try pastries or donuts from these shops. So I have purchased one blueberry flavored, and let me try this. It's very yummy. So this is also one of the unique cakes which I found in Krakow, known as chimney cake, as you can see here. So it is a unique cake which I have never tried yet, and it looks like in the shape of chimney. If you can see, it's in the shape of chimney. So let me try this. Yeah, it's very good, and I took Nutella and hazelnut flavor, and it tastes very good. For my last meal, I came to a famous Thai restaurant in Krakow, Samui, and I was checking their Google reviews. So their tom yum soup is highly recommended. So I have ordered one tom yum soup with prawns and kueh tiu soup with shrimp meatballs. And for my main course, I have ordered pad kimao, which is a stir-fried noodle with vegetables, basil leaves and prawns. So once the food arrives, I will show you, and I will taste and tell you how the food tastes. So this is the tom yum soup with prawns, and this is the kueh tiu soup with shrimp meatballs. I tried both the soups, and both the soups are very delicious, and especially this tom yum soup. It is like super delicious. Try. It's very yummy. this one also is like super yummy. So the next dish I ordered is pad kimao noodles with shrimp and other stuffs, and it looks delicious, isn't it? So let me try. So this is stir fried noodles in this. So let me give it a good mix and let me try a little bit. It's very warm also. It's yummy. So when you are in Krakow, you should try these bagels also. You will see these are getting sold everywhere near the center of the Krakow Old Town, and I have purchased it too. It is very cheap for around 2.5 zloty only. So let me try it. It's little hard, but with sesame and a unique taste in this. So you should try this too when you are in Krakow.